guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is day 9 of the 10-day video series. Literally day 9. Oh my god, it's gonna end tomorrow. Bro, like 10 days have been hectic but so much fun. This series has sort of opened me up in front of you guys and I feel a lot more comfortable being here, just being me. Before this, I used to be like really contained and I used to be very skeptical about what if people don't like this, what if probably I shouldn't say this, probably I shouldn't say that. But now I'm just like slowly being myself on camera and I can see that you guys are really enjoying it, so thank you so much for that. So in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you what's in my bag. Okay, what's in my bag? I made one of these videos like I think 1.5-2 years back, but I feel like a lot of things have changed in the year 2020 since the new normal. Like, who thought we'd be carrying sanitizers and masks everywhere we go, right? So a lot of things have changed, and yeah, so let's do an updated what's in my bag routine, you guys. And also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and it's the second last video. Oh my god. I think I've shown you guys this bag in one of my videos. I don't remember which video, but this is the bag that I got for myself. I sort of gifted it to myself. The second most expensive bag that I have. The first one is by Aldo and this one is by Guess. I got it on 50% off. I'm so proud of myself. And this is the bag that I usually carry with me everywhere because this is like such a classic bag. It's not too big, it's not too you know, like small. It's just the perfect size that you want. And also this one actually has a lot of compartments. Like, it's got a lot of compartments, you guys. Like, this is my utility bag. It's got a zip at the back as well. Like, I think I'm becoming my mother now. Anyway, you guys, let's start off with what's in my bag. I'm gonna start off section by section. Let's see what we have here. Now, all of these things have been kept in this bag since I don't even know when. Every time I get something in PR that I feel like, okay, this is something that I can, you know, like put in my bag and I can actually probably use this when I'm on my way, or, you know, like for emergencies and stuff. So I keep it in my bag, especially if I have like minis of anything that will literally go in my bag. Let's go section by section. Here I have some lipsticks with me. Okay, and what else? Oh, okay, so I also have a nail glue. I'll tell you why I keep it. So when I get my extensions done, for some reason my extensions don't last long. I get them done from like really good places. I'm not even kidding. Like, I spend a bomb whenever I get them. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I end up being a conjuice there. But either ways, my extensions don't last long. Like, every time they come off in like 10-15 days or so, and they come out every time when I'm traveling or I'm shooting or I have an event to attend. And this is like, I know by experience that my nails will come off, so I always carry a nail glue with me so that in case if it comes off and I can like see my nail lying around somewhere, I can pick it up and I have a nail glue. I can just like stick it up. Okay, next I have my favorite lipstick. This is my favorite travel lipstick. It's the Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color in Juicy Date. This is so good. Oh my god. This lipstick is literally my vibe, and if you're wondering why I don't talk about this lipstick often, is because this lipstick has been lying in my bag, and whenever I'm filming videos, it's not there with me because it's there in my bag, and I have all of my makeup stuff that I usually talk about in my vanity, which is right here. Moving on, there is another nude lip color. In fact, you know what? You will find one nude lipstick, at least one nude lipstick in almost all of my bags. This is by Clinique. It is in the shade Closer. Again, a very nice nude, brownish nude sort of a lip color. The reason that I carry such lip colors like bullet lipsticks and you know, like crushed lip glosses and all of that is because I don't mind touching up on my lipsticks. In fact, I sort of enjoy the whole vibe of touching up on lipstick. Moving on, you guys, next I have a powder puff. Now, I got the habit of actually keeping a powder puff with me when I used to do my brides, because you know, you always need one of these with you handy just in case if you want to touch them up or something. Bas wahan se mujhe aadat lagi hai. Now I always have a powder puff in my bag. Like, wherever I go, even if I use it or not, I still always have a powder puff in my bag. Next, wait, what else do we have in this section? Okay, basically I have a lot of like random stuff. I have my Gucci Bloom. This is a tester that I got because I bought like a bigger bottle of something and then he gave me this complimentary, so I kept it in my bag and I love the fragrance. Oh my god, I think you guys know that I'm really big on fragrances. Like, I have an entire section of my favorite perfume. I have like a few day perfumes and then I have my night perfume. So these are some of the things that I've really invested in. Although once you buy a perfume, you don't really end up finishing it like in a month or like 2 months. You actually end up using it over 6 months or so. And there are some perfumes that I haven't finished in over a year because I don't really use them like that often. And when you actually invest in good quality perfumes, just 1 or 2 spray of it is enough. So yeah, anyway, this is Gucci Bloom miniature that I have in my bag. Very handy stuff. And then I have a few bobby pins and some tic tac pins just lying around randomly. I have some papers. I'm just gonna see what this is. This is my Cologne mattress ka receipt, you guys. My back was hurting, like, you know, just old age stuff. So I got myself a new mattress just a few months back and I still have the receipt. This is like your guarantee warranty receipt or something. This is just, you know, one of the things when you start growing older, you actually start keeping receipts in your bag, because if you feel like you're hearing about these products for the first time, let me tell you, these are some of my favorite products and hence they're always in my bag because they're very easy to use, okay? First one is this concealer that I picked up from, I think, London Airport about a year back or something. This is in the shade Tiramisu. This is so good, like one of the best high-end concealers out there. Very easy to use. You can use it on your bare face as well. Very, very nice. Like, I love the texture of this. It's not full coverage, it's like medium to full coverage and you can totally build it up, but it's so good to be used as your natural everyday concealer as well. The reason I kept this in my bag is because NARS wasn't really available in India and I was like, I can't really talk about this product a lot because people can't really get it, so I kept it in my bag, okay? And now I think NARS is available at airports. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah. Anyway, moving on, I think I have another perfume. My dad got this one. This is by Dior. It's their new Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. My dad actually got 2 of these. This one is a roll-on and he got a bigger one for mom. So I kept the roll-on for myself. In fact, even this one was for mom, but I was like, bro, what are you gonna do with like 2 of these? I have a stroke cream. This one, oh my god, can you see how dirty this has become because it's been lying in my bag since so long. Not sure if this size is still available, but this is so handy. You can just literally throw this in your bag and always have that dewy finish to your skin, you know, like no one will know. How will they know? 3 more nude lipsticks in my bag. And I'm not even kidding, I haven't even thrown them in my bag. This is just, you know, over a period of time you keep on putting things in there without taking things out. This is literally like a well. If something goes inside, it's definitely not coming out. So I have this I have this Lakme Lip Love lip balm. I had this because I remember it smells really nice. It smells of chocolate and also because it has a nude tint. So it's a lip balm with a little bit of nude, like brown tint. And then these are 2 more nude lipsticks that I have. One is by Miss Claire. This is the soft matte lip cream in number 59. And then I have On Fleek by Nykaa. And then I have a hair tie. These ones, I use these ones because my hair does not get tangled and it does not really pull my hair out and stuff. So, and then I have a sanitizer. Now this one actually came in a bigger bottle because we've been calling for sanitizers in liters. I'm not even kidding, because my brother, he goes to the hospital, so he has to literally sanitize himself before he enters the house. And like all of us, everybody sanitizes, but usko thoda zyada karna padta hai. So we have like sanitizers coming into our house in like literally liters. Okay, mom basically called for these bottles from Amazon and she filled all the sanitizers and she's given it to all of us. I have a face wash. Now this one I haven't really used ever since I put it in my bag. It's just, I don't know, I mean, I've kept it for emergencies but I've never ended up using it, mostly also because I don't really like this cleanser a lot. This is only for emergency purposes and I did not really have any mini cleanser with me at that time, and hence I threw this in my bag. It's been in there, it's become dirty. And then I have a nail polish, which is again for emergency purposes. I don't know why I don't have a nude nail paint in there, but I think at the time when I threw it, I must have had this color, so I threw this one and I never bothered to take it out. And then I have some tissue papers. So yeah, I have some tissue papers. Go to the next section, you guys. Here I have some random things, not very fancy things but just random things. So first I have P-Safe. Now this is your toilet disinfectant. When you're going outside to a pub or restaurant for dinner or even to a mall, it's just, I don't know, it's just something in the back of my head that just goes on if I sit without sanitizing the seat. I'm like, bro, I don't know who's been here, I don't know what they did here. And I have this Kama Pure Rose Water Mist. Now this is literally just rose water, but it's so tiny. So I just have this. I've never used it. I'm not even sure if you can get this size, or this was... Okay, oh yeah, you can actually get this size. It's for 100 rupees. This tiny bottle, you guys, is for 100 rupees. Okay. I'm about to show you guys might look a bit too extra, but this is a lifesaver. This is the fabric roll-on personal repellent. अगर तुम्हें मच्छर बहुत काटते हैं ना, then you will know what I'm talking about. Although मुझे ज़्यादा मच्छर नहीं काटते, but this is something that I still keep with me because there are times when मच्छर्स just go all out, bro. They will like bite you and they will like literally take flesh out of you and just like... This one is for 75 rupees, but I think it's worth the money because you don't really end up using this like a lot, and also you don't end up using this every day. Have the Love Tint. ये तो मेरे बैग में जिस दिन से मैंने खरीदा है इसको मैंने अपने बैग में रख दिया है. So I'm just gonna show you how this is. It's called the Love Tint and it's pretty red, but when you start blending it, it actually turns into this nice soft, you know, like very pretty color actually. So this is very close to Benetint, but Benetint is like water-based and this one is more creamy formula. So it's slightly more pigmented than Benetint, but I love that this is not patchy at all. The product actually spreads evenly. So you will not find cash, you will not find change in my bag because I don't carry cash or change. It's funny because I remember if I have to like meet my friends also, I'll ask change from them because I don't carry cash at all. Like I always forget to carry cash. I always have my card. So this is my card case. It's pretty old. ये card case मेरे को actually मेरी company वालों ने दिया था when I was working. It's been like 4 years since I'm using this. ये बहुत खराब हो गया. Like can you see it? It's like literally falling apart, this thing. So I need to get a new one. And yeah, my life literally works with this. I don't carry cash. So this is like the usual stuff which is always there in my bag. Apart from this, I always have my car keys, then there is like my earpods, then I have my charger sometimes, and then I have phone and all of that. So all of the usual stuff is always there, but apart from that, this is what I usually carry with me. और ये कभी change नहीं होता क्योंकि इसके अंदर जो एक बार चला जाता है वो कभी बाहर नहीं आता. Anyway, so that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything else that I should be carrying in my bag because अभी तक तो मुझे इतना ही पता है and I feel like I'm doing really well with all the things that I have in my bag. Let me know if there's anything else I should be carrying. Also, today's giveaway is posted on my Instagram, so do check it out and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.